Chronixx SIZZLES on stage at Kingston stop of Chronology Tour. Chronixx brought a potpourri of souls to Mass Camp in Kingston on Friday evening for his Chronology Tour concert and kept them captivated with titillating music. Patrons left the venue in the wee hours of Saturday morning in awe of a stellar performance. The young reggae artist gave the sold-out venue hits after hits from his expanding catalogue, including from his latest release, critically acclaimed album Chronology. Chronixx did a bit of everything during his performance. He sang, DJed, danced, lectured and joked for the appreciative audience comprised of individuals of different races, ages and social and economic strata of the Jamaican society, as well as visitors from overseas. His nearly 2.5 hour set also had him drawing from past and present entertainers for inspiration, with most of these coming from the 1980s to early 1990s, when the 25-year-old would not have been born or was just a toddler. During his act, he constantly reminded the crowd that he was born and raised in the volatile community of Spanish Town, specifically De La Vega City. He also blended his own performance with that of other artists including Janine, Protege, Ravers Clavers and his father Chronixx, in a set that flowed smoothly from start to finish. He performed hardcore with Janine, Who Knows with Protege, and Big Bad Sound with Father Chronixx, who was the only guest to get a second song, a relatively unknown fun collaboration between the two. Ravers Clavers joined him for his signature song from the Chronology album, Likes, and performed the accompanying dance. Chronixx dressed in a white shirt with black stripes, a black jeans pants and a black and white sneakers, and hair tied in a bun, started his act from backstage at 11:45 p.m. with the crowd cheering. After appearing, he gave the crowd Ain't No Giving In. And they don't know, to which he asked the crowd to sing with him, and they obliged. would then give a Rastaman greeting, during which he told audience members that queens are the center of all creations.
Majesty Emperor Selassie Rastafari, and in the name of Her Majesty the Crown Empress Melanai, which is the rightful balance, and I say big respect to all queens. I see you, you're here. I acknowledge you. You are the center of all creation.
I'm here to tell you.
Remember that.
Oh, you mean?
Come on, that we get the rightful balance.
Yeah.
Before launching into Queen Majesty.
Black eye, black ear, black skin, black Kingston Majestic with the black king. Today I'll sing you a black song. You need to hear about beautiful black things, cause most times we hear about black, we hear about black magic and black witches. Black list, black book, black market, black Friday, spend off the black bitches. I've never seen a doctor in black, nor seen a black pill for curing a black people. But I've seen bush doctors like Josh and Monday resurrect like a real black prince. Malcolm, Marcus, Martin. When you say Walter Rodney, Austin, or you know hear about how we loved it. So when the little offspring asking, tell them they never told us.
He then delivered Black is Beautiful, I Can, and Skanking Sweet. During which he took the opportunity to pull his locks before doing Smile Jamaica. And Capture Land. He would then introduce Ghetto Paradise by telling the crowd that although Jamaica is nice, they must still live to save a life. In a section in which he called History Lesson, he started with his own Spanish stone rocking, during which he showed his versatility by DJing and singing Tracy Chapman's Sorry and Barrington Levy's Prison Oval Rock on the same rhythm. With the crowd lapping up the performance, he then introduces backing band Zinc Fence Redemption to change to the taxi rhythm, and the DJ Buju Banton's Driver, bringing the audience further glee before changing back to the original rhythm and Spanish stone rocking. At this stage, Protege, who had performed a full set earlier, returned for Who Knows, while the ladies, with the ladies screaming on his re-entry to the stage.
same way. Practically slave from hypocrisy I stay, hey. Now every man to them own a philosophy. I live the proper way and then I read a check. Them and they in a city hungry and no eat. I put them down a country, just a chop up and they treat them. You see some poverty no reason, is what the reason revealing.
I just go and I'm sending love to my friends and foes. And that's all.
Chronixx told the crowd that many people are known for one song before telling them that VC's one well-known song, His Deeds, might be better than any song that he has ever done. He started the first verse of that song before launching into Loneliness and afterwards worked the crowd into ecstasy with Warrior. Now Follow Nobody would come next. After which he took Yellowman's Nobody Move, Nobody Get Hurt line and started Super Cat, Enough Man I Go Dead. He asked the crowd if they wanted him to mash up in here now, and when they gave him the affirmative, he DJ an original lyric in recently incarcerated Ninja Man's 1980 stammer sounding style. The crowd loved it.
Tell them already me just serious you all the and pepper me you. Them thing them make me singing in pro. Sing out the people start move. Give me the one job again and them select me and
Chronixx would then take the line, girl I been up in a 9 and in a 10 from another incarcerated DJ, Vice Cartel. Broke up in her before telling the crowd about his own blend up juice before singing Spirulina, which had the crowd in stitches.
Because I been up in a 9 and in a 10. Let me hear this Spirulina again. In my kitchen me no cook no end. Vegetable in it, not to drink it chin.
He would mellow the mood again by doing Sell My Gun and Curtains, which he had to restart after the crowd went wild. After Zinc Fence Redemption started the instrumental to his Monster It Likes, he stopped them to talk to the crowd before calling up Rivers Clavers for them to perform together.
Still me success, no, come on, and I'm gonna have no substance over. I believe in love, and I
He would then deliver a legend before telling the audience that he doesn't eat many things that are sold outside his home, and because he was hungry, it was time to go home to eat, triggering rounds of laughter. Chronixx close is a solid set at 2:20 a.m. with Like a Whistle. Awesome.
Pressures of a life and it up. No stay down, mama time pick it up. No matter with it down, full style, strictly up, full gas. When the bills, them the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah, when the chalice, when your best friends are gone and it's only you. Like a passing of the moon, skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and rock with me. Feel like the music sweet, sweet. Everybody wanna feel like real. Forget the troubles and rock with me. You know, feel like the music sweet, We step on the beats and I get down with them like a slide on bar. We burning the system and tell the youth if they find one bar. Up in the system, tell us, all our children unite. And to me, it is more apparent than any other thing that all of us are children of Africa. I want to see if you're here with your friend or a friend from the future. I want you to put their hand in the air like this. If you're there with your sister or your wife or your husband or your, what you want to call it, I want to see somebody there like this. This is reggae music from Kingston, Jamaica. I want you waving side to side, Jamaica, and as it smiles. I'm here for you, Jamaica. Sometimes I'm lost and far from home. I'll find my way, follow my heart and know I'll be found. Someday, and while I'm lost, I'll learn and live. What do you say? Let's have a good time until that day. Oh, everyone, I try to stay at the sun. I know. I lift up my eyes to the hills, I'm blessed away. I want to see all the hands in the air. To the hills, I'm blessed away. I want to see all the hands in the air. from below man. No matter where you come from, that I love you. No matter where you come from, remember that I love you. That's where you come from, remember that.
Tell them the truth and them still not look. Enough drugs money, me say they are not. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. We tell them the truth of this, I am sure. Enough drugs money, me say they I am sure. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. We tell them the truth and we not stop till enough drugs money, me say they are jack still. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Alright, me now watch no face, make no more party. Enough drugs money, they are cherry garden. From individual society up. You can ask anybody when they get them started. But no politician take a donation. So no criminal will never see a station. They never see a cent. Courthouse. Every Sunday we see them take a boat out. Without most resorts.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.